So randomly walking through the streets of Brentwood, we find a peacock. I've checked with a neighbour who says that his house deer of a garden, there used to be two. Hi Guy, hi, hi, are you going to say hello? Are you going to say hello? Hello, hello. Oh, you're so beautiful. You're careful you don't get run over, little guy. Oh my God, stunning. Look at your feathers. You are absolutely beautiful. Hi, 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 gorgeous boy. Gorgeous boy. Yeah, show me your feathers. Can I see your feathers? What are you eating? The stone? You eating a little stone? Oh, it's nice. That's not food, is it? Are you meant to be out? Are you meant to be out? Hi. You show me your feathers?